So we literally gotta climb down here. Okay. Woo. Check it out, guys. Nice fish. Cuparoso. What was it? Come on, man, want to kill me?
That's not something.
So guys, as promised, we're back at the waterfall, finally. So we got Cope, Cameron, Masimba, and we're pretty much gonna do a cook. We're gonna cook some fish soup. Hopefully it goes well, no rain. This is pretty much what we're gonna be having today. Fish, flour, and a whole lot of vegetables. So we're at the waterfall. Simba is gonna be the chef today. I have a question, comment basically to answer to. So I think it's Monica. So you asked why I don't cut the fins off the fish. I actually do, but just not at the surf, due to the fact that, you know, it's more time consuming for me. I'm just saying, it's just my take on it. I'm gonna do these very big. So that's basically it. All the fins removed. So yes, Monica, I do remove the fins of the fish, also the tails. So we're gonna cook up some vegetables, basically baby cabbage and a whole lot of other stuff. I think this one is squash. So we got some squash, we got some pumpkin, corn, a whole lot of stuff. So it's gonna be strictly soup with dumplings and, come here with that name? Tanya? Yeah, Tanya. So yeah, I got my plantains. No banana today. I don't want to say anything about bananas, but no banana today. Got my corn. We're gonna cut those a little bit later. I'm just preparing all the foods one time. Kimran is giving me a little help.
You know, I'll go out to cook for them.
So getting the coconut ready. The guys are trying to catch the fire. I mean, they haven't got it as yet. So they got the fire going, and you can see, yeah. Boys, it took 3 guys and a box of matches to actually catch the fire. I'm gonna season the fish. So we got some kabla. Kabla! Time for us to actually go and check out the waterfall. I know you guys have been waiting. Cooper, with me? I think I'm gonna go back and then we're gonna go down. You know, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, welcome. And as always, feel free to subscribe. You guys can also follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll put the links in the description so you guys can check that out if you're interested in being a part of the family on Instagram and on TikTok. Whoa. So we literally gotta climb down here. Okay. It's not as bad. It's not as bad. So we're basically almost down. So yeah, like I was saying, if you're not subscribed to the channel as yet, and if you're not following the channel on Instagram and on TikTok, I'll put the links in the description and you guys can check it out. And woo! Yeah. So we're here. So let's get a little tour of the area. Wow. Check this out. We are on the tree root. I think I'm gonna head in, but woo, I'm not sure. It's a little bit dark. Like, I have no idea like what is inside because it's really dark. The sun is just not out today, so I think I'm actually gonna head back, grab my diving mask. I actually brought my wetsuit, so I'm gonna get suited up. The water is pretty cold, and I actually want to see what's under that tree root. So I got my light. We're gonna spare something, so I'm gonna get suited up. Unfortunately, I cannot take you guys along because I still haven't received the waterproof case for the GoPro. So you guys are actually gonna sit right along that rock and I'll be heading in. So you guys are gonna have a view, just not under the water. So let me just get suited up and then we're gonna head under. Well, I'm gonna head under. So sorry I can't take you guys along. So guys, this is what we got. There's no lobsters. I think Coop is actually gonna enjoy this one. So I'm gonna take a few more rungs and that is pretty much gonna be it. Check it out, guys. Nice fish. Coop is actually gonna fry this up, roast it up. I have no idea what he's gonna do with it, but we got one fish. That's pretty awesome. Woo! We got him like right in the head. Woo! So the fish, it's not gonna go to waste. Coop actually enjoy eating those fish. I don't, but the water is a little bit cloudy. I mean, the sun isn't out, and oh man, it's actually hard to swim without my fins. See if we can get a few more fish and a few more crayfish, and that is just gonna be it for the day. We're gonna head back up and enjoy some food. There was nothing under that tree root. I really thought we were gonna meet a lobster, but nothing. No lobster at all under that tree root. So we're actually gonna head back up to the other guys and see if the pot is finished, enjoy some food, and pretty much head home. So let's get back up. Coop got his fish going. Masimba eating some gobi. How you gobi taste, Rasta? Coop a roast out. The pot finished. It's a self-serve. Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. I'm reaching a piece of kabla. Woo! Simba! I want me take off the pot of fire. Eh? Put the pot there.
Yeah.
Eh? Over there. Come on, man, want to kill me?
That's not champagne.
Yeah! Eh? What do I? Boy, smell a fish food there, boy. One more piece of the head there.
Oh, I'm going to side you.
Oh, mo.
How many water kill you? There's more to come. Some of them more, man. Some more fishes you want?
Self-serve. Let me get a piece of Tanya, boy. What is? So how I get sauce now? Boy, wait, let me get some sauce. What you said? What you put the cook? Let me get some sauce, see? Hey! Woo! So guys, check it out. We're gonna enjoy. We're gonna enjoy some food. Fish soup at the waterfall. That's the man with the biggest bowl. So guys, today was pretty awesome. We're actually gonna head home now. You know, the fish was really amazing. A lot of food. I'm so full. It's just a matter of getting home. Probably an hour and a half walk. It's 4:43. I'm gonna keep track of that time and see how long it takes us to get home. I know it's way more than an hour, so don't forget to share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another episode of Do It Prove It.